This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the site serves over HTTPS and is mobile responsive, because service workers require a secure origin. Once done, collect a 512x512 icon and manifest fields like name, short name, and start URL so the builder can populate them. Now open Pwa Builder and paste your site URL. Run the initial scan to detect an existing manifest or service worker. This immediate action surfaces gaps quickly, letting you fix missing assets or settings rather than guessing later. You'll now review and edit the manifest values the tool detected, adjusting icons, display mode, theme color, and background color so the app looks right. Next, configure the service worker options. Choose a caching strategy, set an offline fallback page, and add runtime caching rules for APIs and images. After that, pick target platforms, web, Android, or iOS wrappers, and let Pwa Builder generate the packages and assets. This step is about precise choices. Caching affects load speed and offline behavior, so choose deliberately. You finish by deploying the updated manifest and service worker to your production server, making sure MIME types and cache headers are correct so browsers accept them. Then test installability on desktop and mobile, and run Lighthouse for performance, accessibility, and Pwa checks. Confirm offline behavior using the defined fallback. If things go wrong, a common fix is to clear the existing service worker and caches, increment the service worker version, and rerun the builder scan. This forces browsers to fetch the latest assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.